Sinohydro Bureau 7 Company Limited, which was established in 1965, is the wholly owned subcompany and leading subsidiary enterprise of Power China Limited. With over 50 years of development, it has already been integrated with construction, design, scientific research, investment, material trade, power generation and sales, machinery equipment manufacture and processing, and other industries as a large central backbone enterprise in Sichuan, and form three main businesses covering construction, investment, and manufacture, and six major business plates consisting of domestic water conservancy and electric power, domestic infrastructure, international business, investment business, equipment manufacturer business, and housing construction. In adherence to the company's vision of building a diversified, internationalized, quality-driven and profit-oriented top comprehensive construction enterprise with optimized structure and sustainable development ability, Sinohydro Bureau 7 has set up business branches, 5 technology branches, 3 regional comprehensive branches, 2 wholly owned subsidiaries, and 6 holding or relative holding subsidiaries with over 10,800 staffs, over 2,000 senior managerial personnel, and over 6,000 units, sets of medium and large construction devices. Sinohydro Bureau 7 has the right of foreign project contracting and operation, and is evaluated as high-tech enterprise by Sichuan Province. In 2015, it was listed into the comprehensive 20 billion RMB enterprises. Currently, its total assets amount to 30 billion RMB, and its profitability reaches the advanced level in the construction industry. In unswerving adherence to the transformation and upgrading development, reform and innovative development, and open integrity and harmonious development, Sinohydro Bureau 7 insists on the full industry chain development, integrity with investment and financing, design, business contract, construction management, procurement and logistics service, outstanding comprehensive advantages, significant interaction of the 3 main businesses, strong development momentum in the 6 major plates, and a sharply increasing sustainable development ability. Domestic water conservancy and electric power. Sinohydro Bureau 7 has successfully contracted to build over 300 hydroelectric stations with a total installed capacity of over 30 million kilowatts. It has built and been building the global highest double curvature arched dam, the highest rock-filled dam, the largest underground powerhouse, and the Chinese first million kilowatt class overall EPC hydropower project in such fields as foundation treatment, dam construction technique, underground engineering, and unit installation. It has reached the industrial leading level of performance and technology and honorably won a group of national and provincial awards of scientific and technological progresses. It has contracted to build the 3 gauges Qiaolangdi Dam, South to North Water Diversion Project, Qiangjia, Jingping, Crane Beach, Tangziko, Ziping Pool, and other influential superhuge hydraulic and hydropower projects, and taken the industrial leading position in such aspects as hydropower market occupancy, output value, performance, and brands. Meanwhile, it is obviously committed to the pump generator plant and PV, wind power, nuclear power, and other new energy industries. Sinohydro Bureau 7 has already become the well-deserved leading hydropower construction enterprise and the significant force of energy infrastructure construction, and unremittingly served the cause of hydraulic and hydropower engineering. Domestic infrastructure. After nearly 10 years of development, Sinohydro Bureau 7 has spread its infrastructure businesses across the whole China, which cover railway, subway, highway, bridge, municipal engineering, and other aspects. It has successfully contracted to build Beijing to Shanghai High-Speed Railway, Shanghai to Kunming High-Speed Railway, Chengdu to Guiyang Railway, Beijing to Zhangjiakou Railway, and other influential railway projects. Besides, in the municipal engineering construction of subway, highway, underground utility tunnel, urban water environment management, and other aspects in Chengdu, Wuhan, Shenzhen, and Fuzhou, it has assumed heavy responsibilities and received good praises for many times. Currently, its built and under construction projects exceed 30 in total, and the total built mileage surpasses 500 kilometers in railway and 1,000 kilometers in highway. Sinohydro Bureau 7 has gradually built its own brand image and influence in the infrastructure construction field, laid great emphasis on its future development, and regarded it as the significant increment for the company's scale and profit. International engineering. After nearly 20 years of development, the international business has covered over 20 countries and areas worldwide, and been involved into such fields as hydropower, thermal power, roads and bridges, railways, civil engineering, and new energy. Currently, Sinohydro Bureau 7 has formed the 3 regional markets, i.e., the Asia-Pacific region market with Malaysia as center, the South Asia region market with Pakistan as center, and the East Europe region market with Macedonia as center. Contracted for construction by us, the Malaysia Khakwun Hydropower Station has won the Golden Prize of National Quality Engineering Award, and the Sudan Merowi Hydropower Station has won the Luban Prize for Overseas Engineering. Guided by the Belt and Road Initiative, Sinohydro Bureau 7 makes burgeoning development in the international business, with its output value and profit increasing year by year internally. And the international business is becoming the important growth poles for the enterprise's future scale profit. Investment business. As the forerunner of intrasystem electric power development, Sinohydro Bureau 7 has rich experiences in project development and operation. It has invested to develop Jolong River Basin. Its Bureau 7 holding company has built as many as 11 power stations, and the total installed capacity of projects put into use reaches 1.23 million kilowatts. Besides, it has invested to build Sinohydro Chengdu New Area Building Material Company Limited, the concrete product plant which is mainly engaged in segments of subway and etc. It has held equity interest of Sichuan United Environment Exchange, entering the green and environmental protection market at a high level. It has equity participation in Chengdu Communications Investment Building Industrialization Company Limited, marching into the assembly-type building industry. In terms of the innovative business mode, it has actively participated in the investment and financing construction of BT, BOT, PPP and other projects, and earned good profits. Currently, the professional investment branch has been set up and energetically responsible for the government franchise right of water utilities, expressways, light rails, and related diversified investment, operation, management, and service. Equipment manufacturer business. To build a full industry chain development mode, integrity with research and development, design, manufacture, installation, and after-sales service. Sinohydro Bureau 7 has set up the 6 production bases respectively in Jiajiang, Meishan, Deyang, Ningzhi, Qianping of Laos and Pakistan, and form the metalwork manufacturer industry cluster with the annual production capacity of over 100,000 tons. Besides, owing to its core technologies of excavating equipment, it has successfully produced the 8.5-meter diameter shield machine and the self-manufactured content ratio which is 60%. Jiajiang Hydraulic Engineering Machinery Plant, subordinated to Sinohydro Bureau 7, has already been evaluated as the national key enterprise in machinery industry, high-tech enterprise, and key technical equipment industry chain enterprise in Sichuan province. House and construction business. Sinohydro Bureau 7 implements the business transformation completely and thoroughly. With its qualification of first-class general contraction for construction, it has made gratifying achievements in reconstruction of city, village, and shanty areas, post-disaster aid construction, characteristic towns, and other fields. Happy and fruitful Bureau 7, and harmonious fusion world. In the spirit of unremitting self-improvement and courageous transcendence, Sinohydro Bureau 7 perseveres in the operation concept of seizing the momentum, striving for prosperity with management, centering on honesty and making harmonious win-win development, and vigorously starts the grouping development. As the Chinese leading hydropower enterprise and the comprehensive construction enterprise with international competitiveness and full industry chain advantage, Sinohydro Bureau 7 is willing to join hands with partners from all walks of life and create a more brilliant future.